You can see in this store there is no real products out there. These are just demo featured products. So to fix this issue, you can visit your admin section of your Shopify store, then visit this products menu and click the product, and make sure the status is in active, not in draft, not in unlisted, active. And then in publishing option, just click and make sure the online store is ticked, then click done. And also check whether any collection or category roles are blocking your product to show in the store. So make sure what is your current role and if anything is blocking or not. And also you can check the markets menu out there and see the place, the area. Okay, we have to save it and then go to the market section, and in location make sure the desired location is out there. So after that, I think if you refresh the store, your products should be out there in your, you can see. So by this way you can fix your problem. Have a good day.